Senator Cayetano mentioned about health facilities in tourist destinations. Of course, in all areas in our country, ideally, there should really be uh, top health facilities that can address the needs of the individuals there or the people. On the other hand, it's true that we've heard horror stories of tourists going to certain areas, even popular Siargao, where unfortunately the local health center there is not equipped to treat certain emergency situations. Like, for example, in my family, some of us have severe allergies. Just the very basic epinephrine that needs to be present in these areas. I'm not sure if they even have that or a defibrillator or things like that. Of course, when we advertise, we wouldn't want our islands to be known as a place that when you go, you're really at risk health wise or if there's an emergency. So maybe the DOT can also coordinate with the Department of Health to see if our facilities in those areas are at least within standards. Of course, as a mother, we're always thinking of those things. That's all, Senator Nancy. Thank you, Senator.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.